In this project, we tackle the task of inferring diverse 3D human object interaction models from simple images. This is a challenging task as 3D information gets lost through projection. As example shown here, two different configurations may result in the same front view. And humans interact with objects in diverse ways. Take a chair, for example. One could sit on a chair, another could rest their hand on a chair, while others might stand on a chair to reach something. Current available approaches do not explicitly model interaction diversity, despite its importance. Prior work resort to learning from 3D data, while recordings of humans interacting with objects may provide increased diversity. Collecting a large-scale dataset demands tremendous effort and often requires specialized hardware. Furthermore, the number of object categories and the diversity of interactions are often limited by practical constraints. Pure image-based learning approaches use predefined contact rules and priors on object size. These contact rules tell us which part of the body is in contact with which part of the object. However, the establishment of these contact rules requires manual annotations, which poses a fundamental limitation on their scalability. Note that we not only need to identify part labels of humans and objects, but also need to specify the correspondences between contact pairs. In our work, we aim to learn from readily available 2D images using optimization-based method without the requirement for manual annotations. Our key idea is to integrate common sense knowledge extracted from large language models. Specifically, we use large language models to query part-wise contact labels between humans and objects, conditioned on the action type, and use PartNet and simple body part labels to identify corresponding contact regions in geometric space. This allows us to waive the requirement for manual input. Here we show the reconstruction results on the chair category. Using the information extracted from language models, we can reason about the contacts between body and object and jointly optimize their shapes and poses. Our action condition formulation allows us to extract different contact regions and subsequently be able to reconstruct different interaction types. For a given input image, our method first estimates humans and objects separately using off-the-shelf methods. Next, the obtained 3D human poses are used to retrieve the corresponding action types. We then use the recognized action types to query language models for the part-level contact information, which is used as prior to infer 3D human object interactions. We then use large language model to derive the size of an object. Lastly, 3D human and object pose parameters are jointly optimized through reasoning about their spatial arrangements. This allows us to reconstruct 3D human object interaction models without any manual annotations. For more details, please see our paper. Here we show results compared with state-of-the-art optimization-based approach, FOSA. Without the ability to adjust the way of contact between humans and objects, FOSA struggles with obtaining meaningful 3D models and very often results in situations where humans and objects do not contact. In contrast, our method can reconstruct 3D models of different interactions that require different types of contacts. Using the proposed approach, we can reconstruct diverse interaction models for different PartNet objects. To summarize, we propose a pipeline that leverages common sense knowledge extracted from large language models to solve the reconstruction task from images, and it allows us to easily scale to different interactions and object categories without the requirement for human annotations. Thanks for watching.